Do you have to be a visionary to be an effective leader?
Visionary, if you understand it in the right sense. I've worked for some really great leaders in a number of settings who were not particularly visionary in the way that we normally think of this, of having a great dream that they have generated. But what they all had was the ability to recognize a compelling vision, maybe that someone else has developed and articulated, but they say, yes, I can see how that might be the thing that we ought to do. Let me look at that some more and see if I can't get behind it. And now then, they have the gift, once they see the vision, to communicate it in such a way that motivates and mobilizes people to get behind it. The fact of the matter is, we don't need a C-suite filled with visionaries in the traditional sense of the word. We can have too many cooks in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Before long, everybody's vying for his or her sense of where we ought to be going.
Nothing gets done, right?
Yeah. But you need one person at least who can come up with a really compelling vision that everyone else says, hey, I can get behind that, and I know how we could implement that in this department, in this division, in this enterprise. So vision is vitally important. Next to values, it's the most important thing for leaders to be clear on. But the vision doesn't necessarily have to be the vision they created, but simply one that they recognized and threw their weight behind.